Howdy y'all, glad to have you here with me again. I'm about to start sanding, but before I do, I was going to show you that heat gun trick one more time. It's just a cheap heat gun that I bought from Harbor Freight, but when it comes to taking the tape and the patterns off, man, it makes it so much better. Anyway, here we go. Over the years, I have peeled these off and just tore at them, dug at them, used everything I could think of. I'd soak them with some mineral spirits, just everything, trying to get it off. And then I tried the heat gun one day, and man, there's no comparison. That's so quick and easy. Alright, now you see why I like that. Anyway, I'm going to get my downdraft box set up and I'll be back here sanding. This is my downdraft box. I built it a few years ago. Used to, I'd go outside on a nice day and do my sanding then. But some days it wasn't nice. So if I tried to do it inside the shop, I had to wear a respirator, and my shop got absolutely covered with a film of dust. So I built this. It's just a 1x6 pine boards. I built the frame about 1 inch down with a cross piece. I put a piece of pegboard on there and drilled the holes out bigger. And then here, I'll show you. I put a shop vac attachment to it. And you know, the box is like me, it's old, beat up, and kind of rough, but still does the job. Anyway, I'm about to fire off the shop vac and start sanding. Let me get that. Okay, we got all the noise done, the sanding done, and then the next part I will end up putting the finish on and assembling it. Anyway, thank y'all again for being here. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.